Isn't this so stinking cute? Perfect for your Easter appetizer table. Come with me because today we're gonna make our Easter bunny bread spinach dip. Let's get started. Let the Easter festivities begin. I am so excited. So tonight, my son is having a whole bunch of friends over for a bonfire, and I'm having a couple of my friends over for some cocktails and appetizers. This is gonna be so stinking cute, and it's gonna feed a crowd. So first things first, we have to start off with the bunny bread, right? So I have a baking sheet here that I lined with aluminum foil, and I sprayed with non-stick cooking spray. So we're gonna set that aside for a second. I have my cutting board, and then I have my pizza dough that I've been letting rest and rise in my pan, and I made the pizza dough in a previous video, so go back and watch it. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna put my gloves on, and you'll see why in a second. Roll up my sleeves. So now I'm gonna take my pizza dough, and I let it rise in a loaf pan because I wanted it to come out rectangular because it's gonna be easier to cut and roll. So I'm gonna take my pizza cutter, and I'm just gonna slice it down the middle, and then I'm gonna separate that. And then I'm gonna cut each log into little, about 1.5 inch piece. And then we're gonna start rolling that into balls. So once I have that all done, I'll show you the next step. So now I have half of my dough rolled out into balls. We're gonna take the cookie sheet, and we're literally just gonna start forming his face. So you take a ball, and you start down below, and literally you're just making a circle. And you're just putting them right next to each other so they touch. Okay, one more. Okay, so now we have a circle, that's his face. So we're gonna push this aside, and I'll show you the next step. So now we're gonna start forming his ears. So we're gonna go on a diagonal, okay? So we're gonna start at the top and put one ball in the corner. And then we're gonna start coming outward slightly. That's one ear, and now we'll do the next. Again, starting in the other corner of the sheet tray, just coming outward slightly, and just use your fingers. If you feel like you gotta form it, go ahead. And remember, you wanna leave enough space in the middle because these are gonna puff up. And there you have it. That is so stinking cute. So now we're just gonna take a pastry brush and some extra virgin olive oil, and we're just gonna brush the tops of the little dough balls. You just want them to get a nice golden brown. So now we're gonna take this, we're gonna pop this in a 350-degree oven for about 15 to 18 minutes or until it's golden brown. While the bunny bread is baking in the oven, let's make the dip portion. So I'm gonna start off with some sour cream, and I'm gonna use about 1.5 to 2 cups of sour cream. To the sour cream, I'm gonna add in ranch dressing, about 1/4 cup. To that, I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. To that, I'm gonna add in some pepper, some salt, some onion powder, some garlic powder, and just a dash of nutmeg. Then our vegetable seasoning pouch and 12 ounces of spinach that I've drained overnight in a fine mesh sieve to get all the liquid out, because nobody wants a watery dip, okay? And then we're just gonna mix that all together. And there you have it, spinach dip, Kelly style. Okay, so we're gonna cover this with saran wrap, and we're gonna pop it in the refrigerator and leave it there until our bunny bread is finished baking. Our bunny bread is done, and doesn't it look so damn cute? Okay, so now we're gonna take our dip, our spinach dip that we made, and we're just gonna put it in the middle, spread it out, and then we're gonna put some in between the ears. And there you have it, our spinach dip bunny bread. Isn't this so stinking cute? Perfect for your Easter appetizer table. So now I'm not gonna taste this or dismantle it because it's for my party tonight, but you get the point. You take a piece of the bread, you dip it in, and you eat it, right? Guys, if you want the recipe to my Easter bunny bread spinach dip, just comment the word recipe in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to send it to your DM. I hope you guys have a really happy Easter. Thanks for hanging out with me.